In this video, I'm going to break down the must-know safety tips for handling concrete mix so you don't end up with burns or nasty injuries while working on your project. Alright, so first off, always gear up with gloves that are thick and waterproof because concrete mix is super caustic and can mess up your skin fast. You want to wear long sleeves and pants too, even if it's hot outside, just to keep your skin covered from splashes. Don't forget goggles or some kind of eye protection because getting that mix in your eyes is no joke. It stings like crazy and can cause serious damage. When you're mixing the concrete, do it in a well-ventilated spot, since the dust can irritate your lungs and throat. If you're pouring or moving wet concrete, try to avoid direct skin contact. Wash off any splashes immediately with plenty of water to avoid burns. Also, keep a clean water source nearby for rinsing off right away if needed. When lifting bags or buckets of concrete mix, bend your knees and lift with your legs, not your back, to avoid strains or injuries. Lastly, if you're working on a big project, take breaks and stay hydrated because the physical effort combined with heat can wear you down quickly. One of the biggest mistakes people make when handling concrete mix is skipping protective gear like gloves and goggles, which leads to painful chemical burns or eye injuries, so don't be lazy about that. Another common issue is not washing off splashes fast enough, and that makes the burns way worse. Just keep water handy and rinse immediately. The third mistake is ignoring proper ventilation when mixing dry cement powder, which can cause coughing, sneezing, or even more serious breathing problems. Always work outside or where air flows freely. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get projects done right without the hassle. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people looking for help and build a steady flow of work without wasting time chasing leads.